Let's see this question. We want to simplify these radicals. So we have those two, 3 radical 2 plus radical 48. Then multiply by radical 18 minus 4 radical 3. So one way is we can simplify this, right? Because 48 is a 16 times 3. And square root of 16 is 4. So we can simplify square root of 48 to be 4 radical 3. Then we see here we have plus 4 radical 3. And here we have minus 4 radical 3. At the same time, we can simplify square root of 18. Because 18 is 9 times 2. So square root of 18 can be simplified as a 3 radical 2. So which means radical 48 just 4 radical 3. Radical 18 just 3 radical 2. Then we see this is a difference of 2 squares, the 2 conjugates of a difference of 2 squares. We have 3 radical 2 plus 4 radical 3. And then we have 3 radical 2 minus 4 radical 3. Then we just get, applying difference of 2 squares, we just get the first one square minus the second one square. Right, so the first one, when we square, we get 18. The second one, when we square, we get 48. Then 18 minus 48, that should be negative 30, right? Well, let's see. I have done this work already, right? So square root of 48, we split into square root 16 times square root 3. And square root 16 is 4. So we get 4 radical 3. Square root of 18 can be split in, can be factored as square root 9 and square root 2. So that is a 3 radical 2. So we have 3 radical 2 plus 4 radical 3, 3 radical 2 minus 4 radical 3. So that's the 2 conjugates of difference of 2 squares. So we just get the first one square, you get the second one square, and then the operation of subtraction. So the first one square, we just get 18, 9 times 2. Second one square, we get 16 times 3, which is 48. So 18 minus 48, that's negative 30.